Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Go ahead and join the family by hitting the subscribe button. So today we are making my favorite oatmeal and raisin cookies. I don't know too many people who don't like oatmeal and raisin cookies. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to take about 6 tablespoons of butter. This is melted butter. 1 large egg. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 1/4 cup sugar. And 1/2 cup brown sugar. So let's get this blended together. So now we need a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And we're going to blend this up a little bit at a time. Once you got your flour, mix in the last ingredients. So we need 1.5 cups of rolled oats. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If your butter was already salted, then you don't need that. 1/2 cup of raisins. So now we're just going to blend the ingredients together. So now you can take the dough and roll it into balls, or you can use an ice cream scoop. If you want small cookies, you can use 1 scoop, but we like ours big, so I'm going to use 2 scoops. And just place them on an ungreased cookie pan. So now that the cookies are done, we're going to put them on the rack to cool. That's the hardest part, is waiting on them to cool. Okay, guys, grab some milk. Look at this. The cookies are chewy all the way through. They are so yummy. Take a look at the inside.